is asked in GATE 2019. Question is, consider that 15 machines need to connected you in a LAN. In a local area network, we want to connect 15 machines using 8 port Ethernet switches. Each Ethernet is having 8 ports. Assume that these switches do not have any separate uplinks. Port. Okay. The minimum number of switches needed is, how many devices we want to connect it? 15. So let's say it is switch 1. For example, let's say it is switch 1. How many devices we need to connect? 15. 8 ports each is having. So basically here it is clearly written these switches do not have any separate links. So I need to connect other switch with the help of one port, and with the help of one port it is going to act as a input, right? So let's say device number 1 connected here, device number 2 connected here, devices number 3 connected here, here device number 4 connected, here device number 5 connected, and here device number 6 connected, correct? Now with the help of this port I am going to connect other switch, right? So this switch is connected with this port number 6, 7, whatever, and here we need to keep empty, means input and output port we have to assume by default. Now device number 7 here, 8 here, 9 here, 10 here, 11 here, and 12 here. Still we need to connect 3 more devices. So we are going to require one more switch. And using this switch I can connect like device 13, device 14, and device 15, right? So you can check here, this is input and output port. Basically they are connected to Ethernet itself. So let's say Ethernet 1, Ethernet 2, and it is Ethernet 3. Why this is so? Because it is already been mentioned that these switches do not have any separate uplink. So by default 2 ports I need to keep separate for connecting other devices, right? This is for like this. So each Ethernet 2 ports is going to be reserved for connecting other Ethernets. So minimum number of switches required. So in this Ethernet, you can say that 1, 2, 3. Total I am going to require 3 switches. Total 3 switches are going to be required, right? So it is the correct answer. GATE 2019 question asked as a numerical answer type NAT. Correct answer is 3. Minimum at least we require 3 switches here.